OnePlus 7 Pro. It's here in the studio. Let's find out what comes in the box. Per usual, I like to unbox the full packaging. Boom. This is it. This is what the box looks like. Kind of unsuspecting, unlabeled gray box. Let's open it up. And here we go. This is it. It's probably the invoice. Some information about OnePlus and their support. And the OnePlus 7 Pro itself. Here we go. OnePlus community, a global tech movement where everyone can play a fundamental role in creating and sharing the best tech in the world. This is the OnePlus 7 Pro. This is what OnePlus believes is the best tech in the world. It's rocking a fluid AMOLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate. This is the first time we're seeing this in a smartphone. Warp charge 30. So you can charge up in just 20 minutes. It says go beyond speed on the left here. And if I pull up the specs, this is because it is rocking UFS 3.0 2-lane storage for ultra fast read and write speeds. I got the 8 gig model with 256 gigs of that insanely fast storage in the Nebula blue color. This device is packing. It's got the Snapdragon 855, the Adreno 640. It's got dual stereo speakers. It supports HDR. Let's dive in. This is a delicious phone. Maybe that's the wrong adjective to describe a phone, but it's going to be amazing nonetheless. And yeah, let's get this stuff off. So here we have OnePlus. I love their bold red paperwork color. And here we go. So let's first dive into the paperwork because this is a pretty thick case. And you can see, boom, there you go. I did not order a case this time because with the OnePlus 6T, it came with a case. This one does too. Welcome. This is an invitation letter. That's kind of exciting. I don't know what that means. I'll check it out a little bit. We got some paperwork tucked away in here and a clear plastic case. It's silicone, it's grippy, and it'll show off the design of the Nebula blue. Let's set that off to the side. Quickly dive into the paperwork here. Okay, so we've got our OnePlus 7 Pro. This is the SIM Eject Tool, perfect for inserting my existing SIM card. This is probably some promotional, oh my goodness, wow, it really unfolds. Go beyond speed. This is like borderline a poster. Should I hang this? Oh my gosh, whoa. All right, so for legibility purposes, I'm not sure the red, black, and white combo is the best, but it does look very nice, and everything is outlined in multiple languages. This is what you got in the OnePlus 7 Pro. Under the screen fingerprint reader, that's where the SIM card tray is. Very interesting location. The pop-up camera, and of course, that beautiful fluid OLED 90 Hz display. Instead of looking at the paperwork, maybe we should go ahead and look at the actual device itself. So, paperwork. Ooh, is this a sticker? A sticker. Love to see that. Kind of exciting. And, yeah, paperwork. Boom. Onto the main attraction, the OnePlus 7 Pro itself. Let's have a moment of silence here. Almost dropped it. Wow. All right, so immediate first impressions. Does my pre-installed screen protector have a bubble underneath it? Oh my god, it does. Take a look at this. Are you seeing that right now? I wonder if I can squeeze it out. It's 99% gone on something that you wouldn't even realize was there in the first place. So let's back this out. Oh, there we go. All right, a little unusual, but this is it. This is the OnePlus 7 Pro Nebula Blue. Love that color. Actually looks very nice in person. It feels extremely premium. It's got 3D Corning Gorilla Glass on the back. Really nice look and texture. I do not understand why they needed to put a sticker on the back of this device. Like, please put this information in the paperwork or something. Like, why? But there we go. This is the beautiful device itself. Let's power this device on and set it off to the side while we take a look at what else comes in the box. And of course, if we choose, we could pop it in the silicone case. We have the warp charger. That's an interesting just little cover, I guess. And then the actual power brick itself. This is hefty. It's delivering a lot of power to our beloved device very quickly, so it needs to be kind of beefy. And we have, it looks like the charging cable. Okay, here it is, the USB to USB-C cable. I like how it comes with these little protective covers on it, little silicone covers. You don't need these, but if you choose to keep your cables more protected, they can come in handy. Love the color. I do wish it was USB-C to USB-C. I think that connectivity is becoming more and more common, so that would be nice. But, you know, it is just USB to USB-C. And that's it. That is all that comes in the box of the OnePlus 7 Pro. You'll notice no headphones are included in the box like the Pixel 3a, and the OnePlus 7 Pro actually does not include a headphone jack. However, it's okay. The Bullets 2 wireless are available for just $99. This is an extremely competitive price for what OnePlus claims are incredibly good wireless headphones. Could be worth checking those out if you need wireless headphones. But that is essentially it. That's what's included with your OnePlus 7 Pro. Let's do a quick recap. Okay, quick recap. You get your paperwork, which includes your legal information, your quick start guide, your OnePlus 7 Pro Never Settle sticker, and your SIM eject tool. Worth mentioning, the OnePlus 7 Pro now works on Verizon officially. Love to see that. You get your clear plastic silicone case that had a little welcome invitation in it. Not really sure what that's about. I'll check it out. And then you have your OnePlus 7 Pro itself. I went with that amazing blue color. Would recommend checking that out. You have your power brick for warp charge. This gives you your full day's worth of power in just 20 minutes. Really incredible stuff. A USB to USB-C cable and the box itself. So that's what's included with the OnePlus 7 Pro. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to stay tuned for more videos as I test out using the OnePlus 7 Pro on various prepaid carriers and networks such as Mint Mobile, US Mobile, and others. This is an incredibly great phone at a really good value, and a phone like this deserves excellent cell service to complement it and complement its features. So I'm going to be trying to find out the best service to use with your OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm Stetson. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.